What distinguishes me and my business? I think everybody is unique and special in their own way. I don't think I'm anything better than anybody else, or I just think that we all come into this world with our own little unique qualities, and I think we're all different in so many ways. And I don't know what distinguishes me and what makes me different. I think I just honor the difference in everybody.
Do you think as a rock star rookie, something that distinguishes you is that you've been able to overcome obstacles and still be motivated?
You know, I don't see anything as obstacles. I see everything as an opportunity for growth. I've never really looked at an obstacle and thought this was impassable, I couldn't make it through. I look at every single challenging moment as a moment of an opportunity that I will be able to work through.
Do you think maybe that mindset is what distinguishes you?
Could be, could be. It could be. Yeah, I don't see failure, and I never really look at failure as failure. I look at any setback as a temporary solution until something else comes along that's even better. So yeah, I don't look at failure as what a normal person would look at failure. I look at it as an opportunity for success.